You're welcome to the Google Classroom Masterclass. My name is Larry Oguntoye, the Inspirational. In this unit, we're going to focus on applying class themes, how to modify class theme. So at the end of this unit, you'll be able to select and apply suitable class themes to represent you in your Google Classroom. So let us begin. So when you get to your Google Class home screen like this is where to apply the theme. At the corner of your class header, you can see the select theme here. Okay, so when you select the theme can actually affect basically the class header and the color, the aesthetic of your classroom. So if I click this select, so we have various themes that are inbuilt in the Google Classroom. So just like a gallery of various headers that has been made and installed into your Google Classroom gallery. So depending on the subject for which you are creating the class, you can choose general themes or themes that will go with English, maybe history or storytelling and stuff like that, or themes that will go with mathematics. You can see, okay, so if you select any of these themes, arts, sports, and others, okay, you can select as many themes as you want that will fit in. So let me pick this. So if I click this, ta-da, good. You can see the class header has changed alongside with the color that comes with the theme. So this bluish kind of look will affect the whole classroom. So if I go to classwork, okay, you can see that this create button is bluish or purplish in color. Every other thing is follows the same kind of bluish or violet color. Okay, so if you go to people, everything, so the color of your classroom will be bluish. So you can use actually the class theme to represent your feel, okay, your kind of color. It just represents what you like, just like in the physical classroom, the class teacher, okay, arranges the class aesthetic, your wallpaper and all that. So in the Google Classroom too, such provision is what is available. Okay, just make sure that the color represents you. So if I go back to this, go to your stream. In the stream, on the classroom headers, select theme. Okay, I want to change that. Let's pick something orange. Okay, you can see it has changed. The theme has changed and it's going to affect the color of the class. So you can see the color of the class has also changed, representing the theme that we'll put in to this. Okay, so that is how to change theme in the Google Classroom. So you can use that to choose the building of your class. Okay, another way to affect your header is to use photo. Now when you choose the photo will just affect only the header, but the color of the theme that you already chosen will remain. So the last theme that you chose before you upload the photo to represent your header will be maintained as a color of your class. I think I like that bluish kind of color. So I want to go back and change that before I upload. Yes, I like this. Okay, color. I'm choosing that. Ta-da. Okay, so I have this bluish color. Now I want to change this header. So you can make photos uh, by yourself. So you may have downloaded photos, okay, on your system. Then you can choose that particular photos that you have downloaded on your system. But usually the kind of header that is acceptable for the Google Classroom is usually between 800 pixel uh, long and 200 pixel height. Okay, if you like, 800 pixel wide and 200 pixel, height. Okay, so whatever photos you are trying to download or that you already have on your system must be of that size. Otherwise, if it's too small, the Google Classroom is not going to take it. So I have pictures that I've already downloaded, okay, on this system. So I'm going to just click upload photo. You can see that I click upload photo. So I'm picking photos from my system, from my computer system. So let me just okay, let me pick this. Okay, I'm picking that particular photo. Okay, good. So it's the photo is of a very big size. So I'm just trying to enlarge this. This is the maximum, okay, I could get here. So you can resize this as you want. You can just shift it as you want. Okay, so I want this to actually show my Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm clicking that. Good. You can see I've changed the header, the background of the word of the header. Okay, and because I click that as uploading photo and as themes, okay, because of that wonderful greenish background, okay, so it also spread to my class. You can see it affects the greenish, okay, background too. So depending on the kind of how rich the color of the photo you chose, okay, is, it could affect the color of the theme of the class too. Okay, so you let the picture you are choosing represent what you want your classroom feel toward to be. Okay, so I will see you in the next unit. Always remember that every teacher carries a womb that births the prosperity of the nation. See you in the next unit.